How to fix Instagram if it was keep crashing. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can fix that. So for that we will simply hold an Instagram app. Here you guys will see on top right corner uh, I with dots. Simply click here. Now here you guys will see data usage, storage usage. So simply click on storage usage. Here you guys will see clear data, clear cache. So simply click on clear cache. After that, go to Play Store, our App Store on your mobile phone. Here you guys will search for Instagram. So once you guys search for Instagram, you guys will see uninstall update. So simply click on update. After updating Instagram, simply open that and it will definitely work. If it still not work, you guys will simply go to app info, and after that you guys will click on storage usage, and once you click on storage usage you guys will simply clear data of your Instagram app. Once you do that, after that Instagram will be start working when you open. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.